Hello, you are highly welcome to another special topic today. I wish every one of us happy new month. The year has gone half. We thank God for a new month and half of the year. I will also use this opportunity to thank my channel members, those who have reason to be our channel members, and those who are supporting this channel, who want this channel to continue growing. Mrs. Eunice Onwubufo, Keystone Solution Farms, Alefuna Amaka I, Janet Nwigwe, Ude Onyedekachi, Kwawi TV, Titilayo Taiwo, and Slow 24 TV. All of you are blessed. May God continue to prosper you in your business. As you want this channel to continue growing, to continue impacting on humanity, God always lay his hand of blessing upon your life and your business. This year shall not pass you by. Whatever you target, you will achieve them. And by this time next year, next 10 years, next 100 years, you are still alive to witness the goodness of the Lord in your life and in your family. May God continue to bless you. As you want us to continue blessing humanity through this channel, God will always continue to bless you in your business and all your human endeavors. You will not suffer. You will not see untimely death. You will not witness failure in your business. This year, until the end of this year, favor and success will always be on your way. That's my prayer for you. This topic is how to use garlic, ginger, aloe vera, black pepper, turmeric, and others to boost your broiler to achieve 8 kg and above in 10 weeks. Shocking truth. Every poultry farmer needs to know. This is turmeric powder, dried. This is turmeric also. You can use either of them. This is turmeric. You can see it. This is fresh one. This is black pepper. I've seen the combo here. This is black pepper. This is garlic. See garlic here. This is ginger. See ginger. Dried ginger is here also. Use dried ginger. This is ginger also. You see them. Then this is aloe vera. We have 3 stems of aloe vera here. Aloe vera is costly now. I don't know whether you're noticing that. Whether because many poultry farmers are going organic. So most of these are going higher. This is 3 seeds of aloe vera. Aloe vera of this nature, this type is about 200 naira in the market now. You got 200. That will give us 600 naira. Nobody will say this 200 for you. This length, it will be up to 400 naira. You can see I have 3 of them here. I have ginger, I have turmeric powder, and even fresh turmeric also. You can use either of them. This is black pepper. We have bitter leaf here. This is combo to prevent CRD. You want to prevent CRD. Remember that CRD is one of the major issue broilers normally have. Most especially during this rainy period now. We are in rainy period already. And almost all regions are experiencing rainy period and cold season. Broilers always experience CRD. So this is why I'm giving you this particular combo, including ginger and onions. They are how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 combo all together to fight CRD. Your poultry will not encounter CRD at all if you can use this combo very well. So if you're a poultry farmer, watch this video to the end so that you know the dosage also. Then how you are going to apply it to your poultry base to prevent entirely CRD, chronic respiratory issues. Are you tired of losing broilers to CRD and low weight gain? In this particular video, you will discover how a powerful organic combo, as I mentioned them here, made of garlic, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, bitter leaf, aloe vera, onions, and others, can naturally prevent diseases like CRD, boost immunity, and help you raise broilers that weigh up to 8 kg in just 10 weeks without relying on any synthetic medication or antibiotics. This particular video is going to give you that. CRD, or chronic respiratory disease, is one of the major killers in poultry farming, especially in broilers. Antibiotics are expensive and sometimes ineffective. But what if you could use combination of organic and natural plants made or within your locality to prevent this particular CRD. This is going to give you powerful natural ingredients that will help you to prevent CRD and also supercharge your broilers' growth immediately. We are looking at a tested organic solution, something that I've been using. This is our Eco Bio Booster. All these plants are there, including over 400 other plants. You can see all this I'm teaching. Most of them are combined. We are using similar organic plants that can work together to get this our Eco Bio Booster. So if you can't afford the Eco Bio Booster because the money is in bulk, if you're talking about the price is cheaper compared to the quantity or the number of ingredients that are combined together to form that Eco Bio Booster. If you can think of this, now this aloe vera is this 200, assuming it's 200, it's not 600 naira. The check of garlic, small garlic like this, is about 400 naira. If you check what I'm showing you here now, you have almost 2,000 naira here. If you use 2,000 to 300 best just for a day like this, check what contains in 5 liters of Eco Bio Booster. That's to tell you that Eco Bio Booster is cheaper because we bought the ingredients in bags, in quantity. So here I'm going to give you 10 medical health benefits of this combo to broilers and other poultry pests. One is garlic. You have the garlic. This is not only one. The garlic are many here. I have up to 200 grams of garlic, please. For the fact that I'm raising one does not mean it's only one alone. You can see them here. All these are garlics. You can see them. Are you seeing it? See garlic. If you measure this is up to 200 grams of garlic. And this is dry garlic. Please, if you are buying garlic, buy fresh one so that you will be sure that it is garlic. Don't buy ground one. Ground one, they may miss a lot of things for you. You may not know. Please buy the fresh one so that you know that what you are grinding is garlic. So when you are pounding it or when you are blending it, you know that they are blending garlic. Don't buy blended one or grinded one already, please. This is garlic here. Then garlic acts as natural antibiotics that boost immunity and fight respiratory infections in poultry and livestock animals. Another one is ginger. We have ginger here also. This my ginger is dried one and fresh one also. I have dried one and fresh one. Are you seeing it? Ginger. You see it? This dried one. See it? That's why it is organic, because human beings can eat it. You see it? I'm chewing it. Because this is dried ginger. It works for human and for animals also. You can see it. Very tasty. So that is why organic medication is very superb. You can give it your best, slaughter the birds the next day, and still eat the meat without having any effect in your body. But if you continue eating antibiotics that is meant for animals, it's going to affect your internal organs. Most of the times you start having failures, kidney failure, heart failure, liver failure, blindness, and others. Because they are meant for animals, not for human beings. See, I'm doing this. Then ginger improves digestion, increases feed intake, and helps to detoxify the liver of your poultry and livestock animals. Then we have turmeric. See our turmeric here. This is turmeric powder. You can see this turmeric powder. See it here. This is the one we grind by ourselves. We dry this one so that we have it all the season. See the fresh turmeric here. The fresh ones. See, I'm eating it. Nothing is in my mouth again. That is organic for you. You can see this is turmeric. This is both the dried one and the fresh one. If you are buying turmeric, buy the fresh one, dry by yourself and grind it by yourself. If you want to use dried one, if you're using fresh one, no matter that you are using fresh one. Don't buy ground one. Don't know what they miss there for you so that to not fail you at the long run. Then turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that supports respiratory health in poultry and livestock animals. Then you have black pepper. This is black pepper. This is about 50 grams of black pepper. You can see it here. This is black pepper here. Black pepper enhances absorption of turmeric and other nutrients, improving feed efficiency in poultry and livestock also. I have bitter leaf. If you are getting bitter leaf, get about 100 grams of bitter leaf. I have them here. I'll just show you the one after the other. Bitter leaf is also good because it purifies the blood, detoxifies internal organs, and fights internal parasites in poultry and livestock. I have my aloe vera here. I have 3 stems of aloe vera. Aloe vera, I have 3 stems. See it? These are big ones. These are the thick type of aloe vera. You can see this type. This is a thick type of aloe vera. You can see the length. The aloe vera heals the guts, boosts hydration and acts as strong antiviral agent. Then I have my onions here. You can see two small onions. You have them here. Onions is very rich in sulfur and quercetin. It supports respiratory system and boosts immunity also. The combo, you can see, I've shown you all I have here. All of them, they are all here now. Now, this combo will fight CRD, coccidiosis, and other bacterial and viral infections. Boosts appetite and digestion. It ensures that birds eat well and convert feed efficiently. It accelerates weight gain naturally without hormone, any chemical hormone or chemical growth boosters. Please, most of my fans are asking me, how can they prepare feed without synthetic hormone boosters like lysine, methionine, and others? These ingredients I use here, this turmeric, garlic, ginger, all these ones are good if you can use them. And others, we have African black pepper, and many of them. We have nutmeg, African nutmeg. All these are very important spices you can use as organic growth booster if you are a poultry farmer. Then this accelerates weight gain and at the same time maximizes the weight of your poultry and livestock animals. Now that you have known the benefit of all these powerful plants, when used correctly, how are you going to make use of them? Please, the way you use them is slice all these ingredients. I'm not going to show the process. Let me tell you so that the video, I don't want the video to be longer than this, please. Slice all this. After slicing them, go and blend them with your blending machine, or if you have mortar, pound it very well. After pounding it, add 1 liter of water to extract all the juice. Filter everything together. Throw away the chaff. You can use the chaff and mix their feed, no problem. But what we need here is the juice. You can still cook it well. If you can cook it well, boil it very well, up to 30 minutes. After boiling, extract that water and keep the water. What you now do is, for 100 birds, what you do is add extra 10 liters to this particular and serve to your 100 to 200 birds. You can serve them properly for 1 day. The next day you do the same thing also. Do it consecutively 3 days. Most usually during brooding, this can help you also to brood their poultry birds well, so that you get the maximum result and maximum weight. It's going to detoxify, they clear the system to accept feed and at the same time convert the feed for you. You're going to get massive weight like us. But make sure you have a very good breed. You don't get dwarf breed and feed that after this is going to work. It may not work. If you have money for 8kg Broiler booster, the 8kg Broiler booster is available. Always available right now. This is the bag 2. This bag 2 is superb. It is made up of different additional plants, and we have added other plant than batch 1. This is going to work better than the batch 1 because they are almost the same formula, but we have superb organic extract added to it right now. So the price is different. If you need it, I'll display the number here. Ask for it on this number. Send message to my WhatsApp line. And I don't want to chat. That means this line is not for chatting, please. I don't have time. You see that I develop almost 3 to 4 videos every day. It's not easy. Go and check content creators. It's difficult for you to see someone developing up to 2 or 3 videos every day. I have 2 channels, and I make sure I post videos on each of them every day. So the time of arranging for the video, most of all these plants, I don't have them here. Most of them I go around to get them so that you see them by yourself. You can even identify them. It's not something I use theory. This is something you are seeing practically. You see them. So we get these things ready, develop the video, then teach. After teaching, we edit the video also before posting. The posting alone, for it to be entered into YouTube, takes hours, and you have to convert the video also so that it will reduce the data you use to watch it. The other thing is a process. It takes time also. Then if you come to my chat and start chatting me, how are you? How is the family? Where do you live? How is the climate? How is the environment? Hi alone, hello. I don't have time for all this, please. If you come there, go straight to your point, drop your message. Even if I'm not online, drop your message, I'll answer them. The next thing is always account detail you pay, and we'll send it to you. Not how are you, how is the family, how is the children, are they in school, how is the school, how is the mother, how is the father, how is the environment there, where do you live, where do you base. I don't want all those things, please. Go straight to the point. Please, all my channel members, may God bless all of you. Subscribe to the channel and become a channel member. You always get at least discounts on all our products and services. Thank you. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and give it a thumb up if you like this video. Let's meet in the next channel. The next video is loading there also. Now.